one valve spring or one valve removed, but that's it right now. Tomorrow I'm going to be removing the rest of these valves, all these valves, labeling them, putting them in the bags, then getting all the plugs out of the heads, spark plugs, and then I think everything's ready to go to the machine shop. I'm really excited about that, even though the machine shop is 2 hours away. But what I need to do is get this mess cleaned up. It is a mess. Okay, little update. We got it somewhat cleaned up in here. I've got the intake manifold here, heavy as crap. The heads are completely torn down. The block is completely torn down. There's the cam and the crank right there. We've got intake manifold. We've got some stuff to take off of it. This guy here, this guy here. Can't see anything right offhand, anything else, but we're gonna get those taken off now. Oh, and the temperature sensor right there. I got the block, the heads, and the crankshaft over to the machine shop today. The machine shop is in Grand Junction, Colorado, which is about 2 hours away from me. I didn't take him the intake manifold. I'm gonna go with something a little bit different on the intake manifold. Instead of going a 2-barrel carb, I'm gonna go 4-barrel carb, which means I need a 4-barrel carburetor and 4-barrel intake manifold. I haven't nailed down which ones I'm gonna get yet, but I have an idea. But as of right now, I'm gonna get this place cleaned up for when the block comes back in about 2 weeks. And then we can start building. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one.